Before we even start, I just want to let you guys know that I'm not much of a PC or tech guy. I got help from some friends in making decisions in regards to my PC setup, but I will try to make the video as informative as possible. From mid-2021 up till now, I've spent most of my time in front of the setup. Sad? I know. I didn't choose the introvert life. The introvert life definitely chose me. The main purposes of the setup include editing, gaming, assignments, streaming, just to name a few, and it has catered to those needs pretty well. Let's just start with the desk. I just got a desk that would fit my PC setup primarily, and it does that pretty effectively. I do wish it was a bit bigger, but my room is too small anyways, and it just about fits. And yes, that's what she said. For my chair, it shares similar characteristics. It's nothing too special. It's an office chair with a side serving of scoliosis. But for real though, it absolutely sucks and I wouldn't recommend it at all. But I guess it gets the job done. Moving to the heart of the entire setup, my PC. It's a custom PC built with the specs as follows. It's running a Ryzen 5 3600 processor, an RTX 2060 graphic card, an Asus B550M motherboard with 60 gigs of RAM and 1TB of SSD storage. It allows me to game and stream with pretty much no issues, but heavy editing on it can be a bit of a struggle. For the visual centerpiece of the setup, I obviously got a monitor. It's a Dell 24-inch IPS 75Hz Full HD gaming monitor. It wasn't a specific choice or decision for me to buy this monitor, but I'm definitely pretty satisfied with it. I feel like the 24-inch size is ideal for gaming, but every other aspect would and could be better for the editing that I do. Also, I really love my wallpaper. As for the keyboard and mouse, they also came alongside the purchase of the PC, so it's far from anything special. The mouse that I use is a Gaming Freak RX1, what a name. But to be fair, it's pretty functional and I don't have much issues with it. It allows me to switch weapons pretty effectively in game. Yeah, priorities, right? The keyboard that I use is a iBuyPower Aries M1 gaming keyboard. Once again, pretty functional and it satisfies my needs. And it has a pretty cool calculator button. Weird flex, but okay. A very impulsive purchase that I made for this setup would be my drawing tablet. I'm the furthest thing from a graphic design student and I could claim myself to be artistically disabled. Nevertheless, it does serve the purpose of including simple doodles and scribbles that I include in my videos. The doodles are not great, but they're there. In terms of audio, I don't really use a speaker because I live with other people and I don't really want to be a disturbance, excluding gamer age. Instead, I use headphones. I use the SteelSeries Arctis 3. I got it used from a friend and it has been a pretty good purchase so far. It does come with a plug-in mic, but it is pretty useless. Thankfully, I got an alternative. The mic that I use is a MAONO AU-A04 podcasting microphone. I definitely butchered that. I got the mic as a birthday gift from my friend because they were sick of my blissful breathing whenever we were on Discord. It's been a great addition to the setup. It provides great audio when I'm on Discord with my friends or when I'm streaming on TikTok. Do check out my streams on TikTok. There are also a couple of other miscellaneous accessories or inclusions that aren't really part of the core setup, but they definitely serve their purpose of making it an overall better setup. Firstly, I have my glorified mask holder, or in other words, my ring light. Pretty straightforward as it provides lighting for my already ugly face. Besides that, I have a plate on my desk. Let me explain. The plate pretty much holds random things or necessities for me. It could vary from my earphones, keys, SD card reader, cables, and some random coupons. It's not consistent with its content, but it helps with organization. And this plate sits conveniently next to my coin box. Overall, it's a pretty decent setup. There is obviously room for improvement, but this setup has served me for over 1.5 years, so yeah, it's pretty reliable. It may seem somewhat dated, but not much complaints. This PC holds up quite well. I'll leave all the items mentioned in the video in the description, so if you're interested, you guys can check it out for yourselves. If you guys did enjoy the video, like, subscribe, leave a comment making fun of my setup. Yeah, thanks for watching. Bye.